Everything was going good. And then this customer decided to select hand to me. Nigga, you got chips and milk. This shit don't even go together. Why would I hand this to you? Why? Shit don't even go together. Talking about Fiesta size. The fuck you need all these chips for with milk? Boy, let me find out you in there making some fucking experimental shit. Let me find out. Cash? Hell no, Joe. Did you change your profile picture, Joe, or is you a whole new Joe? If you new Joe, you gotta let it be known that I'm new Joe. But if you are the same Joe from earlier, shame on you. Because you should have did better with a better profile picture. I'm gonna keep it 100. I'm not gonna sugarcoat shit. If that's the best you got, Joe, I'm about to time you out. Are you a new Joe? Okay, never mind. Disregard everything I just said, new Joe. Because everything that I just said only applies to previous Joe. But if you new Joe, don't even worry about it. That ain't got nothing to do with you. You got a whole clean slate. You new Joe. I know that. Everybody say what's up to new Joe. Joe Blow. Oh no, I'm timing you out. See, you took it too far. You took it too far. You took it too far. You thought you had a friend. Hell no, I'm timing you out. Hell no. That motherfucker say Joe Blow. We ain't cool like that. Hold up. Apartment building. Hand to me. These motherfuckers, they piss me off. I'm bringing y'all with me. And I'm parking just like that dude did at Little Caesars, right in front of everything. Like a dumbass. Look at them. They ain't going nowhere. Why? Because I'm parked right there. They ain't going nowhere. Why? Because I ain't going nowhere. If I can hand this customer their shit. Alright. Where we going? Number 7. Of course, that shit's on the top. Oh, it's on the bottom? Damn, my shit quiet. Boy, they ain't got no furniture in this bitch. God damn. Oh, shit. Yes, sir. Here you go.
All right, thank you.
Let me get a confirmation picture. You know, DoorDash be tripping. Ah, I'm scared of dogs. I'm good. We got it.
So sweetheart.
I don't believe it. Look, people, look, them dogs be tripping. Thank you. They tried to kill me, y'all. Y'all seen it? They tried to kill me. Call the cops. Call the cops, bro. They tried to kill me for $7. Jesus Christ. They tried to kill me, y'all. Who let the dogs out? That lady. Who let the dogs out? The goddamn lady at the college campus. They tried to kill me, y'all. Lord Jesus, they tried to kill me. And she thought I wasn't finna get no picture. Girl, what's wrong with you? I don't know you like that. You better give me that picture. And you better close that door for that damn dog come out. $7.25. That lady tipped me $3. But guess what? The base pay is $4.25 on Durberg shopping order. So that's what I needed right there. Now I know every order that come out of Durberg's, $4.25 base pay. And that's where I'm starting my base pay off at. And I know how much the customer gonna tip now that I know where the base pay start out at. So that was the whole purpose of me doing that order. It was a good order. 2 items, not a lot of miles. I ain't complaining. But I really needed to know. You need to know the base pay for all the different shopping merchants on DoorDash. Because some places might have a stupid high base pay, like a $9 base pay or something. So you want to make sure you try out all the different shopping merchants in your area. And if you can get low item counts like how I'm getting, that's the best way to do it. For real. That's gonna be your best bet. That lady let that dog come out. I got scared. Boy. I thought that was it. I thought Fido was finna fuck me up. God damn, boy. I think I peed a little bit, y'all. Oh my God. Don't tell nobody though. Don't tell nobody. But I think I did. Don't tell nobody though. If you do, I'm timing you out. 10 seconds. Telling all my damn business.